video will show you how to replace the batteries in your 600 watt 36 volt board. For this repair, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or a pry bar and a Phillips head screwdriver. If you've had your board for over a year, maybe two, depending on how much you ride, you probably need to replace the batteries. It's a very simple thing that you can do on your own. First step is to remove the support bars from the battery. There may be foam between your batteries. You can remove that, set it aside. And before you do anything, you want to unplug at least one of the plugs of the batteries. The batteries are held in with double stick tape. You may need to pry them loose. You won't damage the box if you're careful, but they should come right out. That's your box with nothing attached to it. Take your new batteries and bend the contacts upwards. Remove the protective plastic that covers them. If you got batteries from us, you will have double stick tape already included on your batteries. You'll need to line the batteries up properly so that two of the batteries are label down and one is label up. I always like to connect the batteries before I stick the tape on. There's two wires connect to your battery box, a long positive wire that's red and a short negative wire that's black. You also have two wires that aren't connected, a short one with two contacts and a longer one with two contacts. The first battery that's farthest away from the contacts goes in with the contacts on the side closest to the red wire. You'll attach the positive wire to the positive contact of that battery. The middle battery has the contacts on the side of the black wire, and that negative will contact the negative. The remaining two wires are going to crisscross colors. The longer one will go from the positive or red contact of the middle battery to the negative contact of the battery closest to the wires. The short wire will go from the positive contact of the near battery to the negative contact of the back battery. Once they're all set, you can space them and remove the tape. Press firmly to set the tape. If your battery box had foam in it, you can replace it. This just gives you added protection from movement during use. Make sure all the wires are tucked into the box so that nothing is sticking over it. Replace the support bars with the 4 Phillips head screws. You're ready to reinstall your battery box.